Hey everyone, Brennan from Brinkley RV here. I'm going to be showing you guys the all-new Model Z multifunctional dinette table. Let's check it out. Alright, so we have it all the way to the right, which is going to allow us to utilize the L-shaped workspace area. So I'll pull it out, and you'll have two little cutouts on the bottom side that will allow you to put your fingers into and pull it out nice and smooth. And now we have a good workspace to utilize for monitors. You also have a cord chase with an outlet just below it. And as we go to run it in, you will feel it kind of starting to pull back. That is because it's spring assisted. So as you're running it in, you want to make sure to kind of walk it in nice and slow so it doesn't slam. All right, so I have now released the travel lock. From there, we are able to slide it over to the center. And in the dinette table, you did not have to sacrifice your utensil storage. You do still have that. And underneath the dinette table as well, you have wine storage and wine glass storage once you make it to your final destination. And in this area, it does pull out again. And now you have a nice 4-person dinette area. So the final option would be to shift the dinette table all the way to the left-hand side. Now that we've wrapped up, we're going to go ahead and show you how to put it into transit mode. So we'll shift it all the way to the right, and you'll hear the travel lock latch right there. You want to make sure you hear that click. Now the dinette table will not be able to move. We'll take your other dinette chair, put it right next to it, and then you want to make sure your left chair is locked into its travel lock. You'll take your second chair and strap it to the left one. And now we're good to go. We're super excited to unveil this new dinette table. We think you guys are really going to love it.